Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw money from Coinbase in Nigeria. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm excited to finally be able to answer it for you. Before I get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of security when it comes to cryptocurrency. Coinbase is a very secure platform, but it's still important to take steps to protect your account. Here are a few tips. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Be careful about who you share your private keys with. Only use reputable exchanges and wallets. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get started with the tutorial. Step 1. Sign into your Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, you'll need to create one first. Once you're signed in, click on the Wallets tab. Step 2. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You can withdraw any of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your Coinbase wallet. Click on the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Step 4. Select your withdrawal method. There are a few different withdrawal methods that you can use. The most common method is to withdraw to your bank account. You can also withdraw to a debit card or another cryptocurrency wallet. Step 5. Confirm your withdrawal. Once you've entered your withdrawal information, you'll need to confirm your withdrawal. Click on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. Step 6. Wait for your withdrawal to process. It can take a few days for your withdrawal to process. Once your withdrawal has been processed, you'll receive an email notification from Coinbase. That's all there is to it. Withdrawing money from Coinbase in Nigeria is easy and secure. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips. If you're withdrawing a large amount of money, it's a good idea to split it up into multiple smaller withdrawals. You can also use Coinbase Pro to withdraw your funds. Coinbase Pro is a more advanced trading platform that offers lower fees. If you're having trouble withdrawing your funds, you can contact Coinbase customer support for help. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.